Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch informative and instructive videos, you can watch it. Link is in the description. And today we are going to start with a bullet chess. 1 minute each is the time control for bullet, and it is going to be really fast. It is just for fun, nothing instructive involved in this. I'm just making this video to show that how much fun we have while playing chess and what a game it is. Basically understanding the beauty of this game. Let's see what happens. Queen d4 attacking the bishop. I will try to... Oh, he blundered a piece. I'll try to be instructive, but only little bit. As you guys know that this is very tough to play so fast and commentate on the same. Trying to checkmate. Come on. Talk less, play more. He didn't follow, I think. He must be talking too much. Oh, that's a check. He missed this completely. Now it's a checkmate. So guys, we have won the first match against 2-3-4-1 rated. 2-3-4-1. And now he has disconnected. I think so. After having a losing position, he has just disconnected. And he's frustrated because he has blundered a queen. We are 23-0-4 and he's 2-3-4-1. So basically we are defeating higher rated. Oh my god. This opening was Perk Defense, Modern Defense and Gala system. So I think yes, we have won the first round. Let's play the second match. Okay, we are back. This time we are playing a lower rated player. There's advanced variation d6, bishop developing very fast. a4, yes, stopping this b5. Entire game is played for this b5. Castles, queen b4, taking this point. He defended it. Knight b6 now. c4 is my new idea. Okay, he allows it. I don't know why. Still he allows it. e5. Then this pawn will go. Okay, my arrows may be inaccurate because I'm playing really fast. I can feel the pressure now because the things have started to hit. So this what I did was just pre-move. Now this pawn is a weakness. Okay, not to exchange. Let's play knight c5, sticking to our target. Takes, knight e7 check. Okay, g6, this checked. Okay, c3, just spinning this, attacking the knight. Takes the queen, attacks the pawn, cannot defend. He has to f6, again attack. Then knight takes b7, rook takes pawn. I'm not, guys, if you think that I'm just playing some random move, that is not the case. I'm trying to play the best move with so less time. And so is my opponent doing that, so he's winning. Let's see what happens. It's too fast now. It's too fast. Oh my god. Check. Oh yeah, I allowed it. Why? I don't know why. I lost on time. Okay, let's play another game. Okay, so it's 2 games and we have won the first game. Okay, let's play. e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, d3, bishop c5. Very fast. We can do it. Come on, let's do it. Double-edged game. He's attacking on the other side of the board. I'm trying to attack on the other side. That's very... Okay, knight e8, just a defensive move. Sometimes you have to defend according to the situation. He's playing very nice. Attacking the knight. Oh my god. Am I getting mated? Not really, because this is controlled by knight. He misplayed something, I guess. Yes, he has misplayed it completely. But his idea was very nice. If you see that my king is weak, but there is no mate in this position. Let's take and check. Taking the rook. Why did he play that? Again. Okay, attacking the rook again. He has opened this. This king is too weak, I think. Okay, but now there is some serious threat. I don't care. Just give this check. Now that's a check. Wow, I'm able to find such nice move. Oh, look at his king. My god. Rook b5. Yes, that's why I played rook b5. I saw this coming, that there was a pin and he cannot take. Let's not waste the time. Take it and checkmate, guys. Hit the like button if you like this game. It was very intense. 3 seconds for me, 2 seconds for my opponent. 0 blunders, 0 missed wins. Still we managed to win the game. e4, again same opponent. It's a rematch, so he'll try to put more pressure. Pawn takes. Okay, just a casual approach. We are having only 1 minute, guys. Remember it. Don't expect all the good moves. Some random maneuvering is taking place. Oh, yeah, I got his queen. Oh my god, he blundered a queen again. He's the same opponent. Yeah, he resigned. So guys, 2 games out of 3 we have won. Let's try to make it 5. Let's play 5. Oh, now I'm playing FIDE Master. FIDE Master from Poland. His rating is 2500. Oh my god. Let's see. Can we defeat him? It would be a very, very great achievement if we win this match. Because he's a titled player. Just imagine. Bishop a7. Just relax and play. Just relax and play. I'm telling it to myself. Talk less, play more. That's my strategy. Okay? Simple. Keep it simple. Queen f6. Exchange the pieces. Save your bishops. Attack with them. Try to bring your rook. Okay, he's trying to hit the weakness. This is my weakness. Oh, he takes it. Yeah, that's the problem. Oh my god. I'm really feeling the pressure now. Okay, takes. Bishop takes. Okay. I don't know what to play. Oh my god. If not now, then never. Oh my god. I have to take this. No other choice. Takes. I have to primo now. I have to find some perpetual checks. Oh, I lost on time. So guys, we have won 2 match out of 4. Let's play the last game for this video. I assume that you're enjoying this video, guys. At least I'm enjoying because I'm under pressure. I'm playing 1 minute against my opponent. I don't know what is happening. Still, I'm trying to find the best move, but let's see. He's going to castle on the queen side. That's my instincts. I don't know whether this is going to happen. c2 is under attack. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. He will now castle on the queen side. Please take it. Okay. Please take it with the knight. Please take it. Okay. This is too much. Now this is too much. The game should end now. Definitely. At least I want to end this game. Okay, now I have to defend. I played so badly that I have to defend it now. Oh. Okay, just take here. e5 attacking the rook with the queen. Double up. Okay, just moving aside. Queen c4. This. Oh, I blundered this g7. What am I doing? Now take the king walk. Now let's do the king walk. This is the king walk. And finally my king is very safe. At least for few moments. It's all about time. Finding the loopholes, giving the checks, gaining the time, taking the pieces. Everything is happening. b4 is my threat. Okay, let's play it. Check. Once more check. b3, mating attack. 100% it's a mate. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel. We are winning it, guys. That's the checkmate. Thanks for watching this video. We won 3 games out of 5 games, which was very nice. But let's try to win many more games in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this. This was a fun video, and the next video will be based on some informative